This question belongs to Theory of Computation subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2015. So the question states, consider the NPDA where as per usual convention Q is the set of states which consist of Q0, Q1 and Q2. Sigma is the input alphabet which consists of 0, 1. T is the stack alphabet consisting of 0, 1, perpendicular. Delta is the state transition function and Q0 is the initial state. Perpendicular is the initial stack symbol. So for NPDA, it's nothing but DFA with a stack. So it has an initial stack symbol perpendicular. And F is the set of accepting states. So Q2 is the only final state. So F has only Q2. The state transition is as follows. Now it asks which one of the following sequences must follow the string. So we have string 101100 and we have, let us suppose it is L1. So what must follow L1? So what is the value of L2 so that this entire L1 plus L2 is accepted by our automata. So that the overall string is accepted by the automata. Let us analyze the automata. So what happens? So Z means whatever is present in the stack. So if we get 1 as the input alphabet, then we are pushing it to stack. 1, then we push 1 into stack. And if we get 0, then we push 0 to the stack and come over here. We keep on pushing. And it is non-deterministic, which means on epsilon, we are also doing nothing and coming over here. And also on 0, 1. Now, here, if the top is 1, z, which means the stack top is 1 and we are getting a 0, then we are just popping each one for a 0. So if we get a 0, then we pop 1. And if we get a 1, then we pop 0. So basically we are matching 0 with a 1 and popping 1. So we are matching 0 with its complement and 1 with its complement. Then if we reach to the end of the stack with epsilon, then we reach to the final state. So it is acceptance by final state. So what type of strings it will accept? So it will accept strings like x, 0, x reverse complement. Why? Because we have x, then we have 0 because it can be an odd string or it can be an even string. X reverse complement followed by x, or x 1 x reverse complement. See, we can have middle symbol either 0 or 1 because, and these two are odd cases of odd length, and this one is case of even length. Now it is accepting matching x, so it will first push 1 for 1 and 0 for 0, and then it will match 0 with a 1, which means the reverse of its complement. So what we have 1 0 1 1 0 0. What is x reverse? X reverse is 0 0 1 1 0 1. What is its complement? Its complement is 1 1 0 0 1 0. So this is the second part. So answer is 1 1 0 0 1 0. See, we have this 1 0 1 1 0 0. So what is its reverse and complement? So its complement is 0 1 0 0 1 1 and its reverse is 1 1 0 0 1 0. So answer is 1 1 0 0 1 0. But see, here we have only 5. Only 5 things are given. So what we assume? We assume that 0 is the middle symbol. So we assume 0 is the middle symbol and we find reverse and complement of this 1 0 1 1 0. So what is reverse of this? It's 0 1 1 0 1 and complement is 1 0 0 1 0. So if it had been 6 options, then answer was this 6 length, and for 5 length answer is this. So answer is option B 1 0 0 1 0.